quick Russian tortoise care video. I also have little Dwayne here, my male Russian tortoise. He's pretty young, just rescued him a few days ago. This is his setup. It is a 40-gallon, 4-foot by 2-foot. That's my recommended size for this particular species. Basking spot temperature, 105 degrees is what I have mine at. It can be as low as 100 degrees and them still get proper digestion, and it can be as high as 120 degrees without them overheating. But your cool side needs to get down to around 70 degrees. 72, 75 is okay, I guess, as long as they can burrow. I do have deep soil in my cage. It's about 6-7 inches deep, and they have a good hide to get into. Cool side of the cage, shallow water dish. They do like to soak in them, so a nice wide one that they fit in is good. But shallow, easy to get in and out of. Also clean daily, just like a bearded dragon or any reptile. Clean it every day, give them fresh water. UVA, UVB lighting, full spectrum, and a heat lamp. They do not require a night lamp because they can handle temperatures really cold. They can get down to 50 degrees if they're allowed to burrow and hide from that cold air temperature. But 70 degrees is their optimum low end. 60's okay. They can be an outside pet in your warmer southern United States or tropical areas. They definitely need a hide. They are easily stressed when they don't have one. And a good burrowing spot inside the hide's good too. That's another cool place for them to get away. Diet, calcium powder dusted, of course, and collard greens, mustard greens, turnip greens, dandelion greens. Lettuce is okay once a week. It helps them stay hydrated. You don't have to offer a water dish if you offer them lettuce once a week, and mist them maybe once a week. They hydrate pretty easily. Also, along with the deep substrate, no impaction risk substrates. I don't recommend like Reptibark or sand or anything like that. I just wouldn't recommend that for most reptiles. Bioactive is best for just about any animal that is going into a vivarium or terrarium. Geckos, amphibians, frogs, salamanders, monitors, iguanas, even your bearded dragons or leopard geckos could benefit from dried out bioactive soil. Bioactive doesn't have to be wet. You can find isopods from dry areas. But anyway, off the bioactive. So, not a very big cage. They don't get too big. About 8 to 10 inches is average. They've been seen bigger and smaller. They do like strawberries and berries as treats. Handling not recommended to be common. That's something I'm seeing everywhere, is they don't recommend common handling. I think you do 15 minutes every other day and give them about 1 week every month that you don't get them out, and they could probably be eased into being used to handling just like any animal could. But I would definitely take a slower route to easing them into handling. So that's your Russian tortoise.